Welcome back, dear students, to your offline English class. Today we are going to do the grammar portion of your English. Our topic is single words for group of words. We always use many words, many language, many lines to say just one word. If we know only one word, we can use only one word instead of using group of words if we know a proper single words. And this is also an aid to your English. ठीक है, तो आज हम वही पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है. Single words for group of words. One word may express the meaning of a phrase or group of words. एक ही word हमारे 8, 9, 10 वर्ड्स का या फ्रेज का मीनिंग बता देता है, खाली एक वर्ड. ठीक है. जैसे अ बर्ड ऑफ पैसेज, दैट इज माइग्रेटरी, जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं. एन ऑफिस फॉर विच नो सैलरी इज पेड, हॉनोररी. एन ऑफिस विद सैलरी बट विदाउट वर्क, साइनक्योर. अ पर्सन हु कैन नीदर रीड नॉर राइट, इलिटरेट. अ प्लान which cannot be put into practice, impracticable. A writing which cannot be read, illegible. One who cannot be elected or selected under rules, that is ineligible. ठीक है. A voice which cannot be heard, वो आवाज़ जो हम सुन नहीं सकते, that is inaudible. A thing which cannot be seen, that is invisible. A speech which cannot be understood, that is unintelligible. Incapable of being cured, incurable. Incapable of being repaired, irreparable. Incapable of being conquered, invincible. Incapable of being corrected, incorrigible. Incapable of being avoided, unavoidable. Incapable of being believed, unbelievable or incredible. Incapable of being sold, unsellable. Incapable of being tamed, untamable. Incapable of being approached or reached, inaccessible. That which cannot be solved or dissolved, insoluble. That which cannot be defended, indefensible. That which cannot be divided, indivisible. That which cannot be blotted out or effaced, indelible. One who cannot make a mistake, infallible. One who does not tire, indefatigable. Defatigable. That which cannot be perceived by the senses, imperceptible. That which is contrary to law, illegal. One who is not easily pleased, fastidious. Incapable of being wounded, invulnerable. Incapable of being difficulties which cannot be overcome, insurmountable. Incapable of being explained, inexplicable. That which cannot be recalled or altered, irrevocable. That which cannot be dispensed with, indispensable. A method which cannot be imitable, inimitable. That which cannot be satisfied, insatiable. A disease which ends in death, fatal. He is a man not to be moved by entreaty, inexorable. His motives is merely to get some money, mercenary. A book published after the death of its author, posthumous. A child born after the death of its father, posthumous. A thing which is fit to be eaten, edible, eatable. A thing which is liable to be easily broken, brittle. An animal feeding on flesh, carnivorous. An animal living on grass and herbs, graminivorous. carnivorous, a person who lives on vegetables, vegetarians, one who eats human flesh, cannibal, one who looks too much on the bright side of things, optimist, one who looks too much on the dark side of things, pessimist, persons living at the same time, contemporaries, a person skilled in foreign language, linguist, a persons working on the staff of the same institutions, colleagues, a letter not bearing the name of the writer, anonymous, words no longer in use, obsolete, the murder of the murderer or the murder of one's brother, fratricide, the murder or the murderer of one's father, patricide, the murder or the murderer of one's mother, matricide, the murder or the murderer of the king, regicide, the murder or the murder of the human being, homicide, the murder or of a newborn infant or the custom of killing newborn infants, infanticide, one who is present everywhere, omnipresent, and one who is all powerful, omnipotent. There are much more phrases or more words which possess one word for them. We will do that in our next session. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.